In today's video, we are going to be learning how to create brand video adverts like this with Google Video 3.
Scents fade, prices rise, and finding a fragrance that lasts without emptying your wallet feels almost impossible. At Essentoria, we believe luxury should be affordable. That's why we bring you premium oil perfumes in bulk, crafted to last longer, smell richer, and keep you unforgettable. Unlike spray perfumes that vanish in hours, our oil perfumes stay with you all day, leaving behind a signature presence everywhere you go. Whether you are building your own perfume line, stocking up for resale, or just want scents that stand out, Essentoria is your source of elegance, trusted by fragrance lovers and resellers alike. We combine quality and affordability because smelling divine should never be out of reach. Stock up today. Elevate your brand. Elevate your scent. With Essentoria, luxury lingers.
We are going to be executing this project from A to Z with AI. So what I have here is the brand name, which is Essentoria. I have the colors, which are lilac and purple. And what we do, bulk sales of oil perfumes. So I need an advert. I need to create an advertisement to promote this brand right now with the help of AI. So I'm going to copy these details I have right here and head over to ChatGPT. Now that I am in ChatGPT, you can choose to use the web version, the app version, or the one from WhatsApp. So I'm using the app right now. I'm just going to paste the details I have. Then I'm going to enter the prompt. Now, I said it should act like an experienced copywriter and write me a video sales letter, VSL, for this brand. The brand being Essentoria, the colors lilac and purple, and what we do, bulk sales of oil perfumes. So I am going to send it and we are going to see what it will give us. Awesome. He just wrote a script for us. He said opening, it should start with a dull perfume bottle fading away into the background, blah 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 blah. So if I read this and I like it, I am going to copy it and paste it in my notepad to edit it. And of course I like it, so I'm going to copy it right now. I just pasted it in my notepad. Now I'm going to remove the part I don't want and leave the part I want. Now that I have the parts that I want on my notepad now, I am going to copy every single thing and head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate the text to image prompt that I can use for this video. Now I'm back to ChatGPT and I'm just going to paste it first and add the following prompt. Now it's breaking it down for me scene by scene just so that I can have the template I will use to create the video. So you can see it said the scene, the problem, blah 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 blah. It's showing where there will be voiceover, where there will be visuals and all that. So following this template is what I am going to use to create the text to video prompt. Please note, I'm going to provide the prompt I used for this video in my Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel. You can join with the link in the description of this video. I said it should write the prompt for each scene. The voiceover should be female only. I just specify every single thing I want. Now we have our results ready. So I'm just going to copy this and head over to my notepad as well and then edit the prompt so that I will now give it to it to follow what I want to generate every single prompt. What I am doing right now is removing all the voiceover and putting them in one place so that I will know where and where to talk, and putting the visuals at one place. So now that I have gotten them ready, I will start. I have just edited my prompt. I said camera angle, medium close up, slightly low, blah blah blah. This is me being creative with what I want. I specify her age, where I want her to be, the cloth I want her to wear, the background, and everything, her look and everything. Then I said what she should say in a thick Nigeria accent. Remember, my target audience are Nigeria. So when I do this, I copy it. I will now go back to ChatGPT and say it should note this prompt and follow the style to help me to create the other prompt. So I opened a new page. I'm going to paste this right now. So I'm saying note this prompt style. Then I will paste the prompt and ask it to note it. I've pasted it and I will send it to ChatGPT. Of course, it has seen the style I'm going through. Now, I pasted the next prompt saying I will provide the action I want her to take and other things. It should now generate the prompt based on the activity. And I specified her hair too. And as soon as ChatGPT notes it, I'm going to drop in different activity I want her to do, or the way I want her to pose and all that. So I am going to drop it now for ChatGPT. I just pasted it and I said you can add 3 more, just to make sure that it's not only what I give it that is giving me. Then as soon as I send it, it is going to generate my prompt for me. So can you see that? Can you see that? This is pretty amazing. So I'm just going to copy it, take it back to my notepad and start generating my videos. Now, before we do that, remember I have not added what she's going to say. So right now I'm just removing the part I don't want on the script. That's the beginning and the end of what ChatGPT normally adds. So I'm going to remove them and I am going to add to every scene where the speaker is supposed to talk. I said what she should say in a thick Nigerian accent. Open bracket, script, close brackets, and I would copy this thing and paste it everywhere the speaker is going to speak. I will paste it, then add the script. Remember, VO3 can only generate 8 seconds video at a time. Next step is to head over to my preferred browser and search for flow.labs.google. If you have not watched the video now to get free trial of Google VO3, then head over to the link in the description of this video. Watch how you can get 1 month free trial so that you can get 1,000 credits to start generating your videos. And also watch the introduction to VO3 on how you can be familiar with lots of the features there. So I am going to tap on new project and start creating. Let's just wait for it to load and boom, we are in. So you can see text to video at the left hand side of the screen. You can see VO3 fast, you can see the portrait size. So I am going to tap on that for is it 4 lines? Yeah, tap on it. You can change it to from portrait to landscape. You can choose to use one output. I use one output to manage my credits. I put it at fast, and yes, I will paste my first script here that I copied from my notepad. Paste it. See what it is going to give us. Yeah, so I just pasted it and I will allow it to load. And let's see. Wait for some seconds, and this is super amazing. I love it. Look at this. So I am just going to start generating the videos one after the others. If I love this, I'll tap on that download button at the top right hand side of the screen, tap on original size and save it to my phone, and thereafter it is a smooth ride. Now please note, it does not generate as fast as Google Gemini, so it takes at least 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds. So be calm and ensure your network is very strong. Then you generate the scenes one after the other, every single scenes you need. Now look at these scenes, they are so beautiful. I'll just tap on them one after the other and save them to my phone. I'm going to share a very important information on how you can get the pro version of this website. Stay with me until the end. Now I have saved the videos I created on Google VO3. I have saved them all to my phone. Look at this. Now I'm going to go and use a video editing app on my phone to bring them together, which is InShot. I'm going to tap on InShot and then bring everything in. Trust me, it might feel confusing at first, but be patient and generate what you want. So I removed the watermark of InShot for free, and now I have added them all together in the order at which they follow each other. That is the way the script is. I brought all of them in together. So the information I said I will share on how to get the pro version of this app. I have this offer for only 7 people. I'll be giving out Google Pro version, 1 year access for you and you alone. That means you'll be getting 1,000 credits for the next 12 months. At the rate of 25,000 naira only. One slot is already gone out of the 7. So I have space for only 6 people. To get this offer, you can use the link in the description of this video to send me a DM on WhatsApp. Let us discuss the details. And of course, after putting together my video on InShot, I just save it, add the background music that I want, and I can start distributing it everywhere. You can create this video for clients, for your brand, for friends, and get paid for it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next.